Hi guys. So I just took you guys on a nice tour of my backyard, right? So thought I'd keep you guys out here. Look, we're out on the grass. So I thought, since we were talking about trees, that it would be fun if we could make our names or some of the letters from our name out of some stuff that we would find on a tree. So what I found was some sticks. I found some pine cones. And I also found these dry pine needles. So, does anybody know what letter my name starts with? My name starts with a J. So it might be a little hard for me to write because I'm writing on the ground, but let's write a nice big J first with my marker. There's my J. So I'm just using that pine cone to weigh it down a little bit. So I went and got my glue, and what I can do is we can do this a few different ways, and then maybe I can try again on the back, but I can put some glue over my letter. And then I have all these sticks, and it's a little windy out, guys. I could break my stick a little bit. Maybe this can be for the long part of my J. If I had white glue, it might be better, but it's okay. And then maybe this could go here. And I could put a little one right here. Does it look like I made the letter J? I think so. So that's if you only want to write one letter. But you know what else we could do? If I turn my paper over, I can do my whole name. What do you guys think? Let's see. I'm gonna do my name. J-O-H-N. And I did it a little small because I could do a few different things. Let's see, I'll put my glue back. O-H-N. And then, you know what might be fun? Let's take some of these dry pine needles. I can use them to make my letters this time. Let's see. They might not fit perfectly, but it's okay. Here's my J. Oops. Maybe that's too much. Let's just try one for the J. Oh no. Maybe I need more glue. Okay, we got it. I'll put a little bit more glue up there. Okay, I got my J. Maybe we can make this one into a circle for my O. Let's just try one again. The glue is sticking to my fingers, guys. O. Let's do my H. let's just do my N. Be careful. Huh. Oh no, my O came undone. Let's try to fix the O. I think that works just fine. So, I made my name out of pine needles. So if you guys don't have access to anything from outside, like pine needles or like sticks or anything like that, you can use whatever you have around your house. I just decided to use the stuff that I had because look at all these pine needles. This is what happens when you got pine trees in your backyard. Some of this is grass, some of this is pine needles. This is my pine cone. So the trees give us so many things. So I hope you guys enjoyed the activity. And I hope you guys enjoyed being able to see my backyard. And I will catch you guys soon, all right? Have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.